Yeah. Still in the deep, dark woods and about to go down a hill. This should be very interesting. I am documenting this just in case, because the dude I just took home said he was in an accident on this road today. I'm in the middle of the forest in the Berkshires somewhere. I don't even know where the freak I am. I just know it's snowing like you wouldn't believe right now. But you know what? I feel very safe because I have every confidence in my car. And that's unheard of. It's freaking amazing to have a car you can rely on. They sanded the crap out of one side of this road already. Alright, obviously there's not going to be any cars because there's nothing but woods around here. So when I came up, they plowed and sanded half this road. They sanded the poop out of it. But obviously that didn't do a whole lot at this point. And I'm going down. Right now I'm 990 feet above sea level right now. Next.